Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started with your math paper. The very top problem, listen carefully, and after I finish reading and writing the equation, I want you to pause your video so that you can solve the problem on your own. Here we go. Cute little pirate. It says Renee had 37 pieces of candy in her treat bag. Her best friend gave her 10 more. How many pieces does she have in all? So let's write our equation. She had 37 right here, pieces of candy. And then her friend gave her 10 more. So we're going to add 10. Please stop your video and solve the problem. Restart when you're ready. Nice job. Your next problem is this one here. And it says Reuben has 10 candy bars in his bucket. Bob has 20 in his bucket. Mark has 8 in his. How many candy bars do the boys have in all? So this one is adding the 3 numbers. Reuben had 10 candy bars. Bob had 20 candy bars. And Mark has 8. So we're going to add all 3 of those numbers together. Please pause the video until you have your answer and then restart. Nice job. Here we go. The next one says Nicole's mom bought 2 bags of candy. Both bags have 45 pieces in them. How many pieces of candy does Nicole have in all? So if there were 2 bags and there's 45 pieces in each bag, that's 45 2 times. So 45 plus 45. Okay. Remember, you're adding the ones first. Carry if you need to, and add the tens. Pause the video until you're finished. The last problem is Stephen went trick-or-treating and he got 56 pieces of candy on the first block and 20 more on the next block. How many pieces does he have now? So for this one, I want you to write your own equation, stacking them carefully. You're going to stack 56, and right underneath, you're going to put 20. Add the ones and add the tens. Let's see your great math.